Welcome back to the Cookout Fam. Welcome back to the Cookout Fam.
Hey, yo, welcome. Hello.
What's up, fam? It's your girl Ari, aka Mocha Beauty, and if you're new to my channel, what's poppin'? What's good? And if you're not new, then welcome back to the Cookout Fam. As you can tell by the title of this video, and I can't get my leg up there, y'all. The camera too close to me. But as you can tell by my fluffy slippers and sweatpants, we are going to be social distancing and chilling. I want to do a DIY face mask with you guys while we have this social distance. I guess I really couldn't call it a quarantine and chill quite so because we aren't really quarantined. I don't know about you, but I have been going to work every single day. So I really cannot call it quarantine. Now what they did in China, that was quarantine. What we doing here? I don't know what we got going on. So the mask that we're doing today is going to be a turmeric, honey, and yogurt mask. I did see a lot of YouTube videos on this about how it lightens and brightens up your skin if you have any dark spots on your face. And I don't know about you, but I have this dark little, I guess my mom calls it like, I don't know, like the cell phone area. I don't know. Anyway, I have like this dark line on my face. It's just like literally on the side, like it's like natural contour almost. However, it's supposed to lighten and treat in dark marks. For the most part, that's the only thing that, like that's the only blemish that I really have as far as skin wise. I don't really get a lot of breakouts. Like I have one every now and then, but other than that, it's just your, you know, occasional one pimple. You know. So we're gonna jump right into making this mask. All right, so to get things started, we have some yogurt, some turmeric, and a little bit of honey. Once you have your 3 ingredients ready, go ahead and take a half teaspoon of each. I made the mistake of doing a full teaspoon and it was a lot. So I suggest doing a half teaspoon. So you just want to go ahead and mix it up until you make sure that everything is blended throughout the mask. Now, before we get into applying this face mask, one thing needs to happen. All right, now that our edges have been snatched and secured out of the way, it is time to go ahead and apply this face mask. All right, so if y'all see me looking this way, I'm putting it on in my mirror. Oh, this feels really good. Oh, this feels really good. Y'all, this feels so good. I know I'm looking crazy, like I'm about to go and so basically I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this all over my face. Alright, so it's actually been a little longer than 15 minutes because your girl got sidetracked and had homework to do. But the face mask has completely dried. It's nice and crusty. So I'm just gonna wash that off and be right back. So after washing the mask and washing my face thoroughly, I am going to take my almond oil and just apply this. This is usually what I use at nighttime anyway, after washing my face. And so that is what I like to do. just to restore some of that moisture back in there. The mask was a little dry. I don't know if it was the mask itself was drying or if the facial wash that I used, because I tried to use a new one. If the facial wash I used is actually what dry my skin out. Here we are. I do feel like it lightened up my little dark spot. Just a little bit, you see? Oh. I know a lot of the YouTube videos that I did see, and people were doing this for like 3 days straight, and it was like lightening up like all the hyperpigmentation that they had going on. And like some people had like really bad acne scars and stuff like that. So it really was working. It really was working. So y'all make sure that y'all go ahead and try this recipe out while y'all are quarantined or social distance. I mean, give yourself something to do, especially keep yourself up, keep you looking nice, keep you looking. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video, and see you next time.